Welcome back and zabardashti to a new video. So today we're gonna do like a vlog style video. Just gonna have y'all spend the day with us. So we want to get out the house a little bit, so we're gonna go walk around, probably go to the mall and just spend the day together, probably grab a bite to eat, and we just want to take y'all along with us. So stay tuned and keep watching. We here at the mall. Let's see if there's anything good here today. And we're gonna get some food. Fit of the day. Oh, look at all this yellow. This is so cute. I like these. We're about to eat some Donkey Mo's Korean chicken fried. Korean fried chicken. Talking to mama. Is about to try some Korean fried chicken. I've had this place once before, but he's never had it, and I haven't had it in a while, so we're about to see how good it is and if it's still good. I'm excited for him to try it, but we're at the mall food court, so I think it's gonna be good, so we'll see. All right, so we got some rice, sweet and sour tenders, and some french fries. So this is Korean barbecue, so we're about to see if it's good. What you like these? No, the french fries are really good. Are you good? Yeah.
So delicious.
He said it's so delicious. Okay. So we just finished eating and it was so good. Literally, you guys, it was freaking bomb. It was amazing. So on to the next things. Trying not to spend money. I'm seeing so many cute things here today, y'all, and there's like some good sales, but we'll see. I'm trying to not spend anything and just kind of window shop today, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so we're done shopping at the mall. We didn't buy anything because everything is really expensive at the mall. There were some really cute things at H&M, but we decided not to get anything. Just did some window shopping today, but we're gonna go to probably like Ross and TJ Maxx and see what they have there, and I don't know, see what else we could do. Kind of work out the food that we just ate because we're full, but that food was good. Okay, Ross, here we go. Lots of shoes. There was a pair that I tried on, but they look so similar to shoes that I already have, so I'm trying not to buy them. I don't even want to go back and look at them because they're so cute. I'm in the shoes section. Literally, you guys, I love it when Ross is empty and there's like no people here. I have a mint right now. Don't ever put a mint in your mouth with a mask on because it is going in my eyes. I'm literally about to start crying because of this mint. Oh my gosh, you guys. All right, so we're done at Ross. Didn't buy anything. We're trying not to buy anything today, but we saw a lot of things that we wanted, but we're trying not to buy anything. Now we're going to PetsMart and we're hoping to see a kitty, but we're also hoping not to see a kitty, so let's see what happens. No kitties. We're sad there's no cats, but we're also happy that there's no cats, because then if we saw cats then we'll be sad because we'd want to get them, but no cats, so we're gonna go ahead and go because no kitty cats. Hamster. Aww. A Syrian hamster. Aww. He's sleeping. Or she, I don't know. So no cats. We're happy that there were no cats. We're happy that everyone was adopted. But we saw some mice and a hamster or guinea pig. And now vi glada nas. Hi. TJ Maxx. Some construction. Fitting rooms being closed is super lame. I'm literally tempted to buy everything for absolutely no reason. Like, I need new stuff for the house, the kitchen, outside, my room. I want to organize things, but I don't need it. I don't need to spend money, y'all. Tell me I don't need to spend any money. No. They got some jewelry. I don't know why, but I want this so bad. But I don't need it. I don't need it. But it's so bright. Maybe I should just buy it for Boyan. He seems to really like it. We could like play with it at home. That's so cute. We're loving this wood, all the wooden stuff. We've been so into it lately. Have I ever showed y'all my car? Look at my cute red leather seats. Ain't she cute? Look at her. She's so pretty. I look naked. I'm naked. Go less on. Alright, so we just finished at TJ Maxx. We did not buy anything at all, but they did have a lot of stuff. Like, they were definitely stocking the shelves, so there was a good amount of stuff. I think now we're gonna go home. I'm not sure. We'll see if we stop anywhere, but most likely gonna go home because we don't want to be stuck in the rain. So I will see you guys when we get home.
Bye, see you.
She's leaving. We're home now. We're gonna rest. My mom made some food, so it smells really good. So we're probably gonna eat later. I'm gonna show y'all what she made. She made some pita, sirenita, that's what she made. So we're gonna show y'all what that is, but we're just gonna hang out at home a little bit. It's about to start raining. It's really dark. It was like sprinkling outside. So we're just gonna relax and admire how good we look together. The chef. Y'all ever do do y'all's makeup so cute. Like, it comes out looking so good. Y'all don't want to take it off, because that's how I'm feeling right now. I feel like it came out so pretty, and like, I don't wear makeup that much, and I'm just sad to take it off. Like, my eyebrows are looking pretty bomb right now. Like, I don't want to take them off, but I also want to take it off just so I can like feel refreshed and just be able to lay down and be lazy. But then it's so sad. I don't want to take it off. Like, I can't take it off. All right, it is time to take off. All right, it's time to take off this glam. So start off with my eyelashes. So much better. I hate taking off makeup whenever it looks so cute. It makes me so sad. But I'm trying to be comfy. Makeup is off, time to get comfortable. We're gonna go watch a movie, eat some popcorn, maybe eat some ice cream, and just relax and just enjoy the rest of the day. We hope y'all had fun spending the little day with us, you know, going around Austin. Try not to spend any money because that's not easy to do. But I hope you have a wonderful night and a great weekend, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.